It has been a very long wait, and yes, I have had to be super patient, but I know it's all going to be worth it in the end, because today we say goodbye to the country coach. Welcome to Extreme Paint Graphics in Nacogdoches, Texas. Now, they have been in their current facility here since approximately 2005, but they have been in the area since around 2000 when the owner and 3 of his very key employees came here and opened the paint facility to do the 4 travel motor coaches. Now, if you know 4 travel motor coaches, they are built right here in Nacogdoches, Texas, just down the street from here. So this shop right here is known specifically for their high-end custom paint jobs on these coaches that have these elaborate paint schemes and multiple colors on them. They have several different areas here, and each coach gets its own bay. They are plugged in the whole entire time they are working on them, so you don't have to worry about any battery draw issues or anything like that. Now, Mr. Greg Hughes, he is the shop foreman here. He oversees everything that's done, and he is pedigree. He has been in the custom painting business since around 1975, where he was actually doing the high-end semi-trailers and trucks for the NHRA. Mr. Greg is also certified by Prevo to paint Prevo coaches. So again, extremely high here, and we're going to try to keep you guys informed of what we learn as we go.